Hey guys, it's your boy Chippin, and yes, I still don't have my voice back, alright? So I'm here with Sister Afi. I thought I would quickly today.
We are doing Aprapransa.
That is our version of, no, we are doing Dzemkple.
Yes.
That's our version of Aprapransa.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
Alright, you know what time it is. No long talk, more cooking.
Sharp.
So into our pot goes the palm oil. And then here goes in our onions.
Onion.
You know, Africans don't play with onions. We love our onions, and it's healthy.
Onions are good.
What's this?
Money.
Can you show it to the camera a little bit? Oh, salted fish. Okay. To give it more flavor.
Yeah.
A lot.
Pressure.
I swear. Weather, man. What is this?
My
ginger,
spices.
onion,
Yes.
and secret spices.
Yep. Blended.
This is your blended tomatoes and onions, right?
Yes.
And it has some pepper in it too.
I don't like the pepper now.
We have here
Yeah, maybe the herrings and then the
the herrings and the shrimp. So okay.
Put it inside.
Oh, okay. So we're washing our dry herrings and shrimps. And she's breaking them into smaller chunks.
Yeah.
All right. So in comes our tomato paste. And then our stock keeps going.
Yeah.
And some ground shrimp. So we're about to add in our fishes, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is that? Tuna.
Tuna.
Oh, okay. Tuna. So we have in here our crabs, right?
Oh, they're gone.
Go ahead.
I'm saying that we will add it to the stew.
Oh, okay.
Then remove it later.
Oh, okay. So you want the crabs to get the flavor?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Shy. Just look at that. Just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And the aroma alone. So wow. Sarabota. He's saying is that we're gonna put the crabs in and have it get the flavor of the stew,
Yes.
you know, incorporate itself with the stew and all that. And then we're gonna take them back and then probably put them back again.
No.
Oh,
Put
okay.
on the food.
Oh, okay. All right.
This one is already steamed.
So we're adding in some salt.
Yes.
So now we're taking out the crabs. They've been infused with all that flavor of the stew. Forgive me, I know I can't speak. I can't speak. I lost my voice. Yeah.
Sauce.
Oh, okay. To loosen it, it's a little bit too thick, right? Oh, okay.
Obo.
What is this?
The crab water
Oh,
after steaming it.
okay. So that. Oh, okay. That's the broth from the crabs. Okay, after steaming them. Oh wow, nice.
Give me bowl, eh?
So this here is the stock from steaming the crabs.
Yes, put inside. Yeah. Well, no, we cannot get for there. You know if you put water under if you had.
So this one what? Aprapransa.
No, this one be the Dzemkple.
Dzemkple. Oh, what is this?
This is corn.
Corn.
Where we fry.
Fried corn. So fried and ground.
No, fry. No, we say oil.
Like
No, like you fry the corn and then
How
do we say
get
it?
here.
much. Can it be fried corn?
The fried corn.
So fried corn and then you grind. You go. Okay.
Then we get this powder.
The powdered one. Like,
Oh, okay.
You're not going to grind when you're powdered one.
Oh, okay.
The
Okay.
work by the bruna ne corn powder.
Oh, okay. So I think she's getting ready to add in the corn, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The corn powder. In comes corn powder. So how different is this from that's what do they call ourselves? Tom Brown.
And Tom Brown, they add other things.
Oh, so this is not Tom Brown.
No.
Oh, okay.
They add granite. They add this one. No.